In this video, we're going to walk through how to set up targeting rules in Proof so you can start optimizing your website's conversion strategy immediately. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to leverage Proof's targeting rules to create personalized experiences for your visitors, boosting engagement and increasing conversions. Stay tuned until the end, as I'll also be sharing an exclusive offer that gives you extended free access to Proof, only available through the link below. When you log into Proof, the first thing you'll see is your dashboard. If you're new to the platform, don't worry, it's intuitive and will keep things simple. Setting up targeting rules starts with understanding the kind of experience you want your visitors to have. This is where you get to use Proof's power to show relevant content at the right time. To get started, head over to the Campaigns tab. Proof's targeting rules allow you to personalize your visitor's journey based on behavior, location, device, and much more. This is one of the reasons why Proof is such a strong tool for anyone looking to create a customized user experience. Let's focus on how to set up targeting based on behavior. Click on the Create New Campaign button and select a template that matches your goals, like a conversion-focused pop-up or notification. Once your campaign is set up, it's time to define your targeting rules. First, select Targeting from the Campaign Settings menu. You'll see options for targeting based on a user's activity, such as whether they're a first-time visitor or someone who has already interacted with your site. You can also target based on specific actions they've taken, like if they've viewed certain products or added items to their cart. This level of personalization is key to turning visitors into customers, and it's one of Proof's most effective features. Next, consider targeting based on the user's location or device type. Proof allows you to serve different messages to people on mobile devices versus desktop, or tailor your campaign to specific countries or regions. You could run one campaign for users in the US and another for users in the UK, giving you the ability to speak to each group in a more relevant way. To set up location-based targeting, simply select the location option from the targeting menu and enter the regions you want to focus on. This helps ensure that your messaging resonates with people based on their geographic context. Now, let's talk about targeting for repeat visitors. Proof lets you show different content to users who have already visited your site. If someone has already seen your product page, for example, you can present them with a different message on their next visit, like offering a discount or encouraging them to take action based on their previous browsing behavior. Once you've set your rules, it's time to test. Proof makes it easy to run A/B tests on your targeting rules so you can see what's working and what isn't. Testing is crucial for optimizing your campaigns and ensuring that you're getting the best results possible. The last step is saving and activating your campaign. Once you've tailored your targeting rules, just click Activate and watch your campaign roll out. Proof will automatically serve personalized messages to the right users at the right time, helping you increase conversions and engage your audience effectively. Don't forget that you can use Proof for free, and if you click the first link in the description below, you'll get an exclusive extended free trial, giving you more time to explore all of the powerful features that Proof offers. With this software, you can start implementing personalized experiences that convert without any risk. By now, you should have a solid understanding of how to set up targeting rules in Proof. I hope you feel confident enough to start customizing your website experience for your visitors and start seeing those conversions climb. Make sure to check the link below for your exclusive offer to get started with Proof for free.